Hello and welcome to the channel guys. Today we have a new video. We have a digital microscope. كيف ما كتشوفوا الخوت اليوم عندنا واحد الميكروسكوب جديد ديال السوداج غادي نشوفوه ونقلبوه. This microscope is for soldering and stuff. So let's check it out. This is how it comes. First thing we see, controller, remote control. I did open it already. It doesn't come with a battery, so that's where you know. I did put my own battery. Right here it's 2032. We have a light, LED light. I don't know if it's LED. What is a light? Got a booklet. Don't think you're gonna need that one. We have a brick for the microscope itself. It came with a type A to type C cable because it worked with a type C. Okay, there we go. Plug this one in here. There we go. We have a ring. I guess this is for the extension, the autofocus extension. This is this one right here. Leave it for the end. We have a HDMI cable. This one is 4K 1080 or 720, it depends what you like. HDMI cable. We have a ball joint to move the microscope, whatever way you want. We have the arm holder, the arm itself, right here. This is the arm, and we have the focus. Let's take those two, the microscope and the focus extension. Those are the two most important things. This one right here and this one right here. This is the microscope. Comes like this. You see it's in 80 30 fps and 80 60 fps, 48 megapixel and 4K resolution. It have a buttons right here, up and down, on and off menu and stuff, type C, sensor for the remote, LED to show if it's on or off, HDMI and a memory card. كما كتشوفوا بحال هكا كيجي لنا التلسكوب الميكروسكوب، يجي معاه التوشيات ديالو caps. Put this ring right over here. You can either put it here and extend it to the other side, or put it right here if you want to extend it. Either way. And we open this cap. كما كتشوفوا نحلو ورقة. Take this plastic off. Don't touch this. We'll put it right here. Just like this. This is, I guess, is for the lights. There we go, we plugged it right here. HDMI and type C, and here's the microscope, and here's the TV, the monitor. كيف ما كتشوفوا هانتوما حنايا افيشيناه هالمنيو. Okay, this is the menu. Have all this stuff, line set, exposure, colors, frequency, what you want to record of, resolution, mirror, monitor, brightness, contrast, hue, edge, format, date, and system. You can play with the menu in here. It's pretty easy menu, but the most important thing is the quality. Here we have the motherboard. This is a DSi motherboard, and this is how it looks like close by. If we have the remote right here, and you can zoom in, zoom out, go to the menu, do all the goodies. It have also a SD card capability. See here, we can zoom into those small capacitors. Quality is insane good, to be honest. Look how small this stuff is. Look how tiny it is. If you zoom with the phone, you get a very bad quality. But look at this with the monitor. Very, very good quality. Can even read the letters and everything if we zoom in a little bit more. You can read the letters B2MXJ. You cannot read this in here. It's very, very tiny. Alright, if you zoom out all the way, this is what you get. Alright, that was a review of the Yizhan 4K record microscope. And if you want to add the light, you can press this button and add more light. I don't need more lights. You can do the exposures and stuff in the menu, like you can turn the lights like this if you want more lights, and go to the menu and go to the exposure and do on, and now you have more lights if you want more lights and more details and brightness. And if you zoom in, you will get something like this. You can see every single thing on details. وكما كتشوفوا الخوت بحال ما هكذا كيفاش كنشوفوا في الميكروسكوب ديالنا، كيبان داكشي اون ديتاي زوين 4K كاليتي واعرة. Alright, this is the end of the video. I will see you in the next one, guys. Peace.